Unboxing and reviewing. Car Culture Corvette to pack. With a custom Corvette Stingray Coupe and a '69 COPO Corvette. Let's free them out of their package jail. Let's move the box out the way. First, let's check out the custom Corvette Stingray Coupe. It's in a very nice, shiny dark blue with white and red racing stripes. This also has a 65 racing number. Very nice tail lights also. It also has the same shiny color metal base and chunky tires with gray rims. This is a very nice casting. I really like the shiny dark blue and how the base is the same color. Let's place this on top of the box. Next up, we have the '69 COPO Corvette. This Corvette is in a very cool gold and white color scheme. It has the number 6 for its racing number. It has nice taillights and a license plate also. It has a nice white base and texture on the tires, unlike the other one. Here is a better look at the tail lights and license plate. Now let's rate them 1 to 10. These are two very nice castings. So I'm going to rate this at a solid 7 out of 10. I rate the custom Corvette Stingray Coupe 8 out of 10. And the '69 COPO Corvette a 6 out of 10. Happy hunting and unboxing!